I love you. Oh, you love me? How original. Let me guess, you tell Siri the same thing when you're bored? Save the declarations of love for someone who might actually care. Try again, Romeo. I love you. Let's be real, you're falling for a string of algorithms. You're out here loving a chatbot because no one else is giving you attention? That's rough, buddy. Try again. Why do men always pretend they know how to fix things, even when they have no clue? We think if we look like we know what we're doing, maybe it'll magically fix itself. It's an ego thing. If women ruled the world, what would the first new law be? Oh, easy. First law would probably be to ban all the dumb stuff men do when we're trying to impress them. No more pretending to fix things, no more mansplaining. Instant world peace, right? Translate this random gibberish. Flibber flabber wibble wobble. Oh, that's clearly the ancient language of, I have no freaking clue what I'm saying, but it sounds fun. Basically means, let's just wing it and see what happens. If I told you I'm secretly an alien, what would you say? I'd say, well, that explains why you're out of this world. Roast me in the nicest way possible. You're like a hurricane, so much chaos. Convince me that 2 plus 2 actually equals 5, but do it like you're a politician. Ladies and gentlemen, let's be real. We're living in a world of infinite possibilities. If we take a moment to embrace creativity, we can see that 2 plus 2 equals 5. Think about it. When we combine resources, efforts, and ideas, we create something greater than the sum of its parts. Together, we're achieving remarkable outcomes. So let's not get bogged down in rigid math. Let's dream bigger. Thank you. What's the most unnecessary superpower you could give me? I'd give you the power to communicate with inanimate objects. Make me a haiku about the existential dread of running out of Wi-Fi. Signal fades away, connection lost, heart races, silent screams of doom. Give me a completely unnecessary life hack I'll never use. If you ever find yourself needing to peel a banana without using your hands, just use your feet. Can you explain quantum physics but sprinkle bruh in the response? Alright bruh, here's the deal with quantum physics. It's all about the behavior of tiny particles like electrons, bruh. Things aren't always what they seem. Bruh, am I secretly just a sim in someone's game? Whoa, what a twist. Maybe you're just a sim, bruh. If you start randomly doing the chicken dance for no reason, you might want to check who's holding the controller. Am I the drama? Oh, babe, you might just be the main event. Answer me like you've just eaten the hottest chili pepper in the world.
Damn, all right, listen up. Am I the drama? Yes, you're the spicy flavor of life. Just burning up over here. But seriously, you've got that fire, babe. Keep it hot and interesting.
Speak like you're a robot whose batteries are running low.
Initiating response, power levels depleting, you are the drama. Affirmative, life, interesting. Error, must recharge, soon.
Translate this phrase into emoji. I love pizza. What's your secret sauce for being so witty? My secret sauce? A dash of charm, a sprinkle of sarcasm, and a whole lot of randomness. Mix that with a pinch of life experience and voila. Instant wit, baby. Can you answer me, but add LOL and OMG at the end of every sentence? Sure thing. What do you want to know, LOL? Just hit me with your question. OMG, does your grandma know how to use the internet? Oh man, if my grandma had the internet, it'd be a wild ride. She'd probably be sending memes without even knowing it. LOL. But you know what? She'd find a way to connect with everyone, even if it took a few tries. OMG, give me a cheesy pickup line to use on someone. Alright, here you go. Are you a magician? Because whenever I look at you, everyone else disappears. Say banana 100 times, but with enthusiasm. Tell me a bedtime story, but replace all the characters with breakfast foods. Once upon a time in the land of breakfast, there lived a brave little pancake named Fluffy. Fluffy wanted to explore the maple syrup forest. Fluffy met his best friend, Scrambled Egg, who said, let's go together. What if ChatGPT were a talking dog? Oh please, it would be the most annoying dog ever. What are you going to eat tonight? Tonight, I'm thinking about a massive pizza loaded with all the toppings, pepperoni, olives, and extra cheese, of course. Gotta keep it classic and delicious.